Hello everyone and welcome to class of SES. So under messaging we have simple email service. So today in this class we are going to have discussion on management console of messaging, that means simple email service. So Amazon simple email service, with the help of this we can send and receive email using a reliable and scalable email platform. We can manage all identities, we can monitoring email sending, and we can configure email receiving. So for management of identities, we require to go to identity management. For monitoring email sendings, we have sending statics. And for configuring email receiving, we have to go to rule set creation. So if we go to identity, domain identities, like we require to verify a new domain. What is your domain? We have to verify this domain. After verification of a domain, we have to send a test email. We can remove this domain and we can view details as well. If we see the standing statics, so Amazon SES account has a sandbox. With sandbox access, we can send email to Amazon SES mailbox. So where we are having sending quota, like we can send 200 emails per 24-hour period. So this is our quota. Now this is the used percentage. Maximum send rate is 1 email per second. If we want to see the matrices, we can see the total number of deliveries, bounces, complaints, and total rejects. So this chart shows previous 2 weeks within 24-hour aggregation. So this is important from examination point of view, that what is the sending quota in Amazon SES. So we can send 200 emails per 24-hour period. And maximum send rate is 1 email per second. So if we want to see email receiving, we have a rule set. That means we require to create a particular receipt rule. So when you use Amazon SES to receive messages on behalf of all the verified domains, we can configure SES to deliver your messages to S3 bucket. We can also configure Amazon SES to drop or bounce messages which we don't want to receive. We control what happens to your mail by defining these rules. So each rule consists of a list of actions. So suppose we want to create a rule. So to match a specific user, suppose we are having a user at telcoma.in. So this will match to address with the label. Suppose we require a name plus label at example.com. So here we can create a recipient. We have to specify the email address and then we want to add a recipient. And then we go to next step. Next step is action step. Then rule detail and we can review it. Suppose I will specify a user, that's support at telcoma.net. Now we are going to add it. So this is a recipient that we added. Now we require to verify domain or we can remove. Let's go to next step. So here we can add action over here. Select. We can add header, bounce, lambda, S3, SNS, work mail. Suppose we are adding SS, S3. So here we require to mention a prefix, we require to encrypt the messages and what is your SNS topic. So we can create it. Then we can move to next step. We need to specify a bucket name over here that we have defined. And after that, we can define a rule over here. So this is how Amazon SES works. Thank you so much.